This room right here is what sets us apart from most of our competition. A lot of people out there cutting wheels, even polishing them, but we cut them, we polish them, and we chrome them all under one roof. All right, man, check it out here on the Haas machine. We're cutting another 30-inch wheel. Typically, these, of course, have a lot longer running machine time than the other ones do, but that's what we got on this big boy right here.
We're gonna get these stock wheels off and get some new wheels put on. He just got done with it. It looks so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I can't wait to take this for a ride. Me and RJ about to go around Bowling Green, and then I gotta hit the road to get back to Knoxville. I got to run all the way. There's the bike back there on the trailer. Everything's looking good. So I'm on my way to Bowling Green, Kentucky, to RC Components. Today is the day. I asked a couple people, what should I do? And I went back and forth with the size of the wheel. So I just hope that I made the right choice. And I'm excited to see him on the bike.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles at exit 20A, B.
And to be going here at RC Components and get some wheels put on my bike that they made, this is huge. Guys, I'm really excited about this. So I can't wait to see what it looks like. I can't wait to ride it. And I'm gonna give you the tour. We're gonna take a tour of the whole facility while they change the wheels and tires on the bike. All right, so we're gonna keep on moving, and got 1.2 miles, got to get off the interstate. It says we're 7.5 miles away. We're here, just pulled up at RC Components. Wow, look at all this. Cool. Man, it's a big place. So I am here, I made it to RC Components, and we're here in beautiful Bowling Green, Kentucky. RC Components, I'm excited. So let's go inside and take a look and see what we have in there.
There he is, come on in.
Thank you.
It's been a long time coming, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, guys, look at this. And RJ, he's going to show us around today. Look at this drag bike. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, this is a Harley-Davidson Destroyer, the drag bike that Harley came out with. The interesting reason why we have it is we made the wheels for all these when they came out of the factory. But right here we have the RC comp on it. That is the only situation ever Harley's let anyone keep their name on a product that goes on an OEM bike.
You know, if Harley allowed them to keep their name on the product, you know I'm in good hands. We're going to get my Street Glide off the trailer. After that, we're going to take a tour. Got to get it unstrapped. It held pretty good. Everything went well with that. It's my first time being in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The bike got filthy on the roads. It rained. Inside their R&D room, there's wheels everywhere. Some great looking wheels. And by the way, guys, because a lot of people watch the channel who are car guys, I'm a car guy myself, they make drag racing rims. So if you need some wheels for your drag car or your hot rod, check out RC Components for that. And I'm telling you, they got some really nice things. For motorcycles, for cars. I'm here with RJ, and there's the Street Glide right there. Don't judge me, guys. It's really dirty because it rained. But we're gonna get these stock wheels off and get some new wheels put on. Let's go over to the box, and RJ's gonna show me the new wheels. It's my first time seeing them, so let's go over here and take a look.
See what you got, man?
Yeah, I'm ready, I'm ready.
You told him how big you're going?
No.
If I know, I had to talk him into this, and he's gonna love it.
Here we go.
Brand new 21 Ruckus chrome wheel right here, about to throw it on.
Man, that looks so good. Look at that. I mean, I guess you can see by the smile on my face. Look at those wheels. Look at what I'm going to what I'm coming from. Not that these were bad wheels, not that they look bad, the Enforcers. They're pretty good, you know, but that is just gonna be icing on the cake. Check that out. 21 inch. 21 by what, RJ?
21 by 3.5.
Let's show them what we're doing, RJ.
All right, this one out. Here's the rear wheel we got for it.
That's the rear.
18 by 5.5.
I went to 18 and 5.5 on the rear, so I went up 2 inches, and that's gonna look really nice on the back of the bike. So We're gonna get wheels put on the bike. I have the tires outside the door. I went with Dunlops. We'll talk about that in a minute. But we're gonna get the wheels put on the bike, and RJ is gonna give me a tour of RC components. All right, guys, see you then. The old wheels off and the new one's about to go on. So let's go.
All right, man, follow me. We're gonna check out everything in back, okay?
All right, sounds good.
This room right here is what sets us apart from most of our competition. A lot of people out there cutting wheels, even polishing them, but we cut them, we polish them, and we chrome them all under one roof. So that's how we control every process, and we can do it faster than anybody else. So come check it out. This is the chrome line. This is what sets us apart. All this down here, where we triple plate our chrome wheels. On the other side, that's where we do our anodizing. We do all of that right here. This is the next spot, man. This is the polishing department. Everything comes through here, whether it's a chrome wheel or it's an anodized wheel. All has to get polished first. And I got some of the best guys in the business doing it. Come on back here. All right, man, check it out here on the Haas machine. We're cutting another 30-inch wheel. Typically, these, of course, have a lot longer running machine time than the other ones do, but that's what we got on this big boy right here. Quentin here's loading up another wheel to cut. These are one of the 16 machines we have here. And this wheel blank goes on here, cuts one side, pull it back out, flip it around, cut the other side, then it's off to polishing. For every wheel design we have, we of course do all the matching components if you want them. We've got the matching brake rotors, we've got the matching pulleys, we've got the matching air breathers. But here's a look at one of them. We can take a rotor blank like this. That's how it comes to us. Eventually gets machined to match a wheel design. And we've got it for every wheel design that we have.
Those rotors look awesome. I may have to get some later for my motorcycle.
I know we've been talking all about motorcycle wheels, but the drag race wheels for the cars have become a big part of what we do. And I've got her welding up a couple wheel halves right now, getting ready to go on someone's race car. Check it out. About when it comes to cutting wheels is all the leftover metal shavings, and it's more than you could imagine. I'd say we go through one full-size dumpster every week, but we always recycle it, and you get a good look at that here. We've got that going all the time. This is another little thing we just started. We're doing lug nuts for the drag race cars now. We cut them here. These just got anodized, so they're coming off the rack, and they'll go back in when machine cut them, giving them that contrast cut look. When it comes to drag race wheels, each wheel has to have a center cut with a specific lug pattern. We'll machine it down to this, and then once we know what design lug pattern they want, that's when that gets cut in it. We're back at exhaust polishing now. Every bit of chrome exhaust, as far as heat shields or mufflers go, have to get polished before they get chrome. We've got a fellow working on a heat shield right now back here. Got the little pin, runs around the edges. Basically what's doing is it's checking the tolerances, making sure that it's not out of spec. It needs to be right, it needs to run smooth, so we make sure of that. These are some of the exhausts we do. We've got 4-inch and 4.5-inch mufflers for the Harley baggers. And what's cool about ours is the different tips on the end. You can see this one right here, but I can basically take the same muffler and have a different look for somebody else. If you like a black tip, you can throw that on there. Like some a little more aggressive, throw that one on there. We've got several different options for, I'm sure will cover your taste. As we've seen all of this 60,000 square foot facility we have, we're almost done, but there is still a little bit more. I've got one thing I want to show you. Here at RC, we offer more fitment for more metric bikes than pretty much anyone in the industry. And this is where you can see it. Call it our wall of hubs. Everything you see behind me here, front or rear, for a different fitment for a different motorcycle. So you can see there's quite a bit. This is the last stop that a wheel makes before it goes out the door. Once everything passes inspection, it gets assembled and boxed up right here by these fine people. Say hi, Dalton. What's up? This is as big as we go right here. The Dirty 30. This one's called the Helix, and it's a beautiful wheel. What do you think?
We're done. We're at the end now. We're going inside, and I'm going to show you my new wheels on my motorcycle. All right, guys, so they're all done. They got the wheels and tires put on. Check this out. Look at this. Look at that. RC Components Ruckus, 21-inch wheel. Beautiful. 21 by 3.5. That is a beautiful wheel. I like it. Look at that. And of course, if you're going to have the front wheel, you have to have the matching wheel. So let's check this out. You can see it back here. Look at that. That looks awesome. I went up to 18 inches on the rear. It was 16 inches. I went up to 18 inches. You can see a whole lot more rim, and it's just, it looks awesome. That looks fantastic. Matching front and rear. Guys, so I'm excited. I can't wait to get out and ride this bike. It looks great. What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. I can't wait to get out and ride it. Hats off to everyone here at RC Components. They make a fantastic wheel. If you're in the market for custom wheels for your Harley-Davidson or metric cruiser, be sure to check out RC Components. You like it?
I love it, man. You know I love it. It looks great on here. It looks like a completely different motorcycle.
Yes, it does. And the wheels really set off a bike. You can do a lot of things to it, but the wheels really gives the bike the look, you know. I have the 124, I have the exhaust, I have the drop bags, all these other things, but it was just incomplete without the wheels. RJ, are you going to be in Daytona this year?
As long as they're going to be there, we're going to be there.
Guys, so if you're in Daytona, hunt the truck down and check out RC Components, because these wheels look great and they just took my Street Glide to a whole nother level.
All right, guys, we got a 21 on this bike. It's super easy. A lot of people think it's really hard. It's not. All you do to raise this fender, we have this bracket right here, which we include when you buy a wheel from us. It raises the fender the perfect amount so the fender actually fits the wheel the way it's supposed to. 21 fits perfectly fine, no problems whatsoever, no handling issues. Bikes are amazing.
Thank you, Sean. I appreciate it. Thank you, RJ.
Of course, man.
You're about to go hit the streets, so where are you going to ride?
I'm going to be on this Street Glide right over here, man. We'll see if you can keep up with me.
All right, Team Street Glide. I'm on the 124. He's on the RC Component Street Glide. We're going to hit the streets of Bowling Green. All right, see you then. He just got done with it. It looks so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I can't wait to take this for a ride. Me and RJ about to go around Bowling Green, and then I got to hit the road, get back to Knoxville. So we are out on the Street Glide, riding with RJ. So look at the Street Glide there, all RC Component stuff. Nice looking bike. Okay, RJ just told me, he's in front of me right there, and he told me that the traffic was backed up that way, so we're on a nice little scenic country loop. I think we're going to end up in downtown Bowling Green, Kentucky. So guys, you are getting a ride video as well as a factory tour video. This has been an awesome day. The 21 on the front, it doesn't feel much different than the 19. I can feel a difference, but not much difference in the 19, and I don't feel it hindering the performance at all. You know, I haven't been on it where I'm like on the Foothills Parkway or anything. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks good? Let me know. I don't know where we are. There's a bunch of corn over there, but we are in Kentucky, close to Bowling Green. I don't know if this is still Bowling Green, but it's an absolutely beautiful day. it still feels good. I can feel a little difference with the 21 and the new 18 on the rear. My test is when I get this thing on the Foothills Parkway. That's what I really want to do, get it on the Foothills Parkway. But man, I think the 21 looks awesome. Check those out over there. U.S. Air Force. Okay, we're turning right here. Look at that. What size is that on the front?
Same as you got now, that's a 21.
What do you guys think about that? All right, so we're headed downtown. I'm gonna follow him. That's where we're going. All right. Oh, look at that. I gotta tell you one more time. Check that out. What do you think about that, guys? Look, for everyone who says you can't see the rear, you definitely can see. That's the RC Components bike. All right, guys, so we're gonna go inside and take a look and see what they have here. I'm just gonna take a quick look around and then we're gonna leave out of here and back to the shop. All right, guys, see you then.
I'm glad it all worked out the way it did today. I think Tal's happy. I think he's happy with the 21 I talked him into. And if any of you have been thinking about getting wheels, you got a special deal because you watched this video. When you go into shoprccomponents.com, use the promo code RCTALL89. Again, that's RCTALL89 to get an additional discount off your wheel order just because you follow him. So you can call us at 1-800-360-0915 or shoprccomponents.com. Thank you.
I had a great time in Bowling Green, great time with RJ. I want to thank Sean. I want to thank everybody from RC Components. They make a great product, and not only just for Harley-Davidsons, they make it for metric cruisers, and now for your dragsters. Yeah, check it out, RC Components. Guys, so I'm gonna get back on the road. Let me just show you one more time. You're gonna see the 124 rolling around with the new 21 on the front and 18 on the back. Check it out.
Looking sharp.
Guys, don't mind the dirt. It was on the trailer, it rained, but check that out. It has been another awesome day. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to go to rccomponents.com or give them a call. The code RCTALL89, RCTALL89. Give them a call or go to the website. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day. All right, man.